Okay, here's our update on my video I did on my help video. Right there. I got about 3,500 views, people looking at it, 53 commenters. Everybody's trying to help me out a little bit, and I appreciate the help that I've been getting. So, but looks like we got a bunch of bad news, not a whole hell lot of good news. But good news is people are trying to help me out, which is nice. So thanks for all the help. So basically we're just stuck with what we got. So like I said, here's the video I posted right here last week. So there's how we got one deadbeat that don't like me. So we're going to have to hang that guy or give him a medal. Which one do you think we should do? Hang him or give him a medal? So anyway, so here's what I found out. Basically the guy's a slime bag. We already knew that, right? So this William Rush here, he's been helping me out quite a bit. He went and visited him and got a hold of the deadbeat, and pretty much all downhill from there. So this here is Bill's Custom Cycle. This is not American Cycle Fab. So this is right on the main thoroughfare here. There's the address right there. So you go to Bill's and there's two roads. There's one road on this side, one road on this side. So go like that. And this road right here is Harley Road, and the guy's up the hill here. So you can go visit Bill all he wants. He's a nice guy. Go check him out. Nice guy. You head up this road right here, and it goes up to his cycle museum up the hill there. So definitely a good place to go and talk to him. He's good. The guy up the hill over here on the right, he's a deadbeat. So that's what we figured out already. So this is their website. This is the address they give us, which is bogus. So right here. So that address won't get you anywhere. They're pretty much history. They got a shop full of crap. These pictures are from years and years ago when they actually worked. Now everything's just a rusted pile of crap. So this is the address that they actually have listed as their business and phone number. Good luck on getting anything out of them. So here's what it looks like right now. So these were taken a day or two ago, I guess. Come on, computer, I just had you working. My computer's doing a bunch of junk in the background here for some reason. Yeah, figures. There we go. Okay, there's the guy's front door. So that's what it looks like. I can blow it up better with this view here. So it appears it's closed. And if you want to pay $3,600 for inspection, you can go there and get some inspection work done. I would highly recommend not doing that. Looks like it gets there sometime after 10 o'clock. Oh, there it blew up. Oop. Boy, this mouse goes quick. There you go. I would highly recommend not doing that. So, anyway, that's his slimy ass door, front door. Probably shouldn't go there too much. Come on. Damn, this computer is slow. Alright, there is Bill's Custom Cycle right here. This is Harley Road. These two here are not him. He is behind this house up the hill to the right. So, get you another image here to look at. Now these are all given by William. Took these pictures for me and went and talked to the guy. So this is what the building looks like right now. So that is not some place you want to do business with. When they're putting all their junk outside, it's not a good sign. But inside looks a hell of a lot worse, evidently. So chance of getting my parts out of this guy is slim to none unless he somehow mistakenly finds something laying around. But feel free to go visit the guy and tell him what you think. I wouldn't have any problem with that. Guy's a real slime bag. So anyway, I had a picture here somewhere. I got too many damn pictures opened up. There's the picture I wanted. Alright, there's your top view of what's going on, satellite view. So this is actually the address right here of where he's located. So this is the main thoroughfare, Columbia Boulevard. This is Bill's Custom Cycle. It's a good place to go visit. This is Bill Custom Cycle up here. and this is someone else, and this is a deadbeat's house or business, one or the other. So you go up the hill, up Harley Road, right up to it, top of the hill, that's him. So that's where American Cycle Fabrication is located, and it looks like a real custom place to go visit. Now Bill's Cycle Barn Museum's right here. There's a good place to go. That's a good place to go to. Want to look at some nice bikes? Go there. You want to go see a deadbeat? Go visit that guy. Feel free to visit him and tell him what you think of him. I would not have a problem with that at one bit. Maybe he'll find my stuff too. I doubt it, but who knows. So anyway, that's pretty much what we found out in the last week. And like I said, this here pictures are probably from, I think these are from earlier today, day being Saturday. So anyway, like I said, this is Bill's Cycle down here. This is where he has his retail store and parts store and stuff like that. So anyway, he's good. He sucks. They're not related to each other, affiliated with each other, so don't go harassing Bill. You can go in and visit Bill and say hi to him. He's good. This guy up here, Paul Friebus or something like that's his name. He's a sleaze bag. So anyway, don't do any business. Don't buy anything. Don't try to get anything from that place. And I'm not going to be around much longer, I bet, anyway. But anyway, that's what we got. So like I said, if you can, if you want to go up there and visit the guy, feel free. I have no problem with you going up there and tell him what you think about him being a slimy, you know what. There's his building. Front door is right over here. You know, looks like he's got a couple bikes laying here in the back and an air compressor. That's not a good sign when you blow this up and look in the background. You see an air compressor and motorcycles hanging outside here, especially in Pennsylvania wintertime. That's snow on the ground right there, in case you didn't know. So anyway, it's definitely not the place to go to anymore. Definitely that way. Now I'm not sure if there's any parts up here, but downstairs here it's pretty bad in there. Looks like a tornado went off in there, so I was told. So pretty bad. But anyway, that's where we're at. So anyway, there's not much I can do about it. It's pretty much you know, you get poked and up to you know what without any grease. That's about what it feels like. So anyway, it's whatever. Like I said, if you want to go visit to him, go find. You never know, the guy might find some stuff. He might actually turn out to be, and you know, maybe help people. Yeah, I ain't hold my breath. I've been told a lot of the people got stuff they ain't getting back either. So, but anyway, it's, you know, it is what it is. Bad businesses. See, my place is it's busy, it's full of crap, but it's, yeah, I'm still here. Yeah, I'm not hiding from anybody. So anyway, like I said, if you want to go visit, you can still try to help me. Go for it. I don't care. It's if you can, you know, whatever. If something happens to them, great. We're in what is it? End of January of 19. So next couple months, you can probably still go visit the guy. After that, probably not. But anyway, you know, don't burn the place down. I didn't say that. So anyway, like I said, there's the where's where to go. That's the address if you want to try to get there. You know, but anyway, it's not looking too favorable. But you know, go visit Bill's biker barn. He's good. You know, I have no problem going and seeing Bill. Bill's a nice guy. So's his wife, Renee. So go check him out. You know, after you're looking at good stuff, go over there and kick his door in a little bit. You know, see if he's awake. You know, he's shaking off a good one, maybe. Who knows? But anyway, that's where we're at for now. So I was figuring to let you guys know on the update what's happening, what we found out. Not good, but oh well. So I'm going to put a link to my video right here, and you know, say let's have an update here and let you know what's going on, and you know, we'll move on from there. Anyway, thanks for the help. That's it for now.